Hey babe, so today I will be using Tash Iyer lip gloss. You guys can find this lip gloss on my website, charbabezlipgloss.com. Look at that, guys. Look at 360 with it. Look at the label. It's super cute. So today we'll be using this shrink wrap that we will be sealing the lip gloss with. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, this is the end result. Nothing can leak out. It's super cute. And also you guys can find these seals on Amazon, so make sure you guys go check that out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with your friends, and don't forget, it's all about the lips.